A recap from the previous video: an informal caregiver is referred to as a person that is unpaid and has no formal training, who aids and supervises in the daily care of another in need. When you build your healthcare team, make sure that everybody is on the same page in respecting private personal health information. So who exactly registers on the cover letter? It is anyone who contributes to the Self-Health Manager and Journal, such as primary caregivers, which are all informal caregivers, such as neighbors, drivers, family, and friends, as well as secondary caregivers, which are caregivers that are associated with a company, such as home health providers and non-medical home care representatives. It is up to your team who will be the clearinghouse or the primary caregiver. For every patient, there is one self-health manager, and there should only be one, no more than 2 clearinghouses per self-health manager. Then, document the primary caregivers. Then include the secondary company's information. All the secondary caregivers' information goes on the back, and there's a HIPAA compliance agreement on the bottom. Then, purchase or assign a notebook of your choice. All journal entries should be in a chronological order and include the date, the journal enterer's name, and a brief note. A good rule of thumb is to write entries as soon as possible. That way, the entire team can contribute in collaborating care at home, ensuring that there will be a productive office visit, even on the patient's bad days. And that concludes our video for today. Please visit us anytime at patientbetter.com or shoot me an email at instructor@patientbetter.com. You can also call us toll-free between the hours of 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday, Central Standard Time. Thanks for watching.